So do you get yourself in a right old pickle when you're loading your strimmer head? Well, in less than 2 minutes, I'll show you the quick and easy way to do it. So first up is a manual feed head, just like this Auto Cut 56-2 from Stihl. First thing to do is to take the cap off. So if you push down the white button on either side of the cap will come off. Remove any remaining nylon. So on this spool, you've got 2 holes. You put an even amount of nylon either side of this middle rail. On some of them, they've got a gap in the middle, which you can make a loop and you can wind either end. And just observe the direction of winding your line. So push a bit of nylon into the hole and wind it the direction of travel. And then when you get to this point, just hook it in and it will stop it unraveling. Do the same with the other side. Again, hooking it into the lock position. But make sure you put it on the other side of where you finished on the other one. Put your spool back into the middle of the head, take your eyelets and your line goes through them, put the cap on. So next up is the auto feed heads, and as the name suggests, you don't need to take the head apart, you just put the line through and wind the bottom of the head. So on most auto feed heads they'll have a line and 2 arrows, and you basically line that arrow and that line up into place. So take off again about 2 to 3 meters of nylon, push that nylon through the eyelet itself. It should then come out the other side of the head. And then all you have to do is simply twist the bottom of the spool. There's either directional arrows or thumb slots to give you an indication of how to do it. And some, like this Ego brush cutter, even do it for you by pressing the power load button. So just push the nylon through the head, through the eyelets, and make sure you've got an even amount each side.